Watch it, make it, like it, and support us by subscribing. Thank you. Hi, I'm going to show you how to put in a drywall anchor. Typically you use a drywall anchor when you don't have any wood behind the drywall and you're going to put up something heavy. I'm putting up curtain rods, and with the curtain rod and the curtains on it, it's going to be kind of heavy. So let's get started. This is your typical drywall anchor that you will find that you get in a lot of stores. Okay, I'm going to show you what happens when you drill the screw in. So this is what happens when you put the screw into the drywall anchor. It splits to make it wider here so it won't slip out of the wall. Sometimes you have 4. Be aware that there are different drywall anchors you can buy. So you want to mark off where you want to put the screwdriver, or where you want to put the bracket. I'm measuring it because it is to be the same height as the other curtain I already put up. So 15¼ inches, and it came out to about 1 inch from here. I should say 15¼ inches from the ceiling. Then place the bracket where you want it and mark. I don't usually mark the bottom one until I see how straight it comes out. Put a pencil mark, it's not difficult to erase. So I don't use the electric drill very straight. I'm not that steady with it. So to get it started, I use the screw and I pound into it just to make a little notch so that the drill bit can fit in there. Take the drill and go through. Okay, and you can press to push the drywall back in. Now I measure the bracket so that right underneath it, yep, I got it. Right there. Actually, I want to do a little higher. Nice thing about these, I have some room to make a mistake. Okay, then press, put in your drywall, and hammer it in. Until it's flat. Same with this one. So for this one, for the drill bit, for the drill to take it down as far as possible, I'm bringing it upside down. It's going to go the other way, but for the moment. I'll have to hand do that in a sec. That one's holding it in place, and the drill can't fit there. I'm gonna hand do it. And there we go. Bracket with a drywall anchor.